Unboxing the Hikvision IP Video Intercom Kit, model DS-KIS602B. Inside the box, we have the 7-inch capacitive IPS indoor touchscreen, the rugged IP outdoor door station, surface mounting hardware, terminal connectors for lock and auxiliary wiring, and a dedicated IEEE 802.3AF PoE switch to power and route the entire topology. Let's inspect the hardware and deploy the system. The indoor station features a 7-inch capacitive IPS touchscreen with localized video playback, noise-suppressed full-duplex audio, and multi-extension routing. The outdoor station packs a 2-megapixel camera with WDR and a 146-degree horizontal field of view, housed in an IP65 rated enclosure for weather and vandal resistance. Powering the infrastructure is an 802.3AF PoE switch, delivering 48V power and data over a single Cat6 run to each endpoint. Deployment begins at the physical layer. Connect Cat6 patch cables from the PoE switch ports directly to the RJ45 interfaces on both the door station and the indoor screen. The 802.3AF standard auto-negotiates power delivery, so no external 12V supplies are needed at either endpoint. Once powered on, the indoor station boots to the activation screen. Create and confirm an admin password to activate the device. And the outdoor station at 192.0.00.65 both already sit on the same subnet, so they communicate natively without manual IP changes. Proceed through the wizard to set your room number, floor number, and registration password. When you reach the related device step, the outdoor station appears automatically in the discovered device list because both units share the same local network segment. Simply tap the door station in the list to link it. No SADP tool, no static IP edits, and no manual address entry required. The status indicator turns active immediately. Tapping the Live View button now streams a real-time, low-latency 1080p feed with full duplex audio directly from your entryway. To bring the system online for remote smartphone access, continue through the wizard to the Hik-Connect service step. Or navigate later to Settings, Network, Advanced Settings, Platform Access. Enable Hik-Connect. The system will display the device verification code. You can keep the default activation password or define a custom 6 to 12 character code. This encrypts your cloud video stream. Apply the settings and the platform status registers with the cloud server once outbound internet access is confirmed. Open the Hik-Connect app on your smartphone, tap Add Device, and scan the device binding QR code displayed on the platform access screen. When prompted, enter the verification code to authenticate end-to-end stream encryption. Once paired, press the call button on the door station. An instant notification triggers on your phone, delivering real-time video preview and two-way audio streaming to your mobile device from anywhere in the world.